Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for listening. Today, my name is Alki and I am going to present about one of the hot issues in our education. It is about the importance of using computer in teaching. And in this opportunity, I have divided my presentation into three parts. The first one is about introduction to the computer. The second one is about the impact of the computer. And in the impact of the computer, it consists of the advantage and disadvantage of using a computer. And the last one is about conclusion. Okay, let's move to the first part of my presentation today. It is about introduction to the computer. As you know that computer technology has a big impact to our education sector because what? Because computer has changed the way we work. Computer is very important to the students and for the teacher also to use it because computer has given us the most important information in them. Computer also can become one of the source. It is one of the source of the students and also the teacher to search the information in the internet. To search the more information on the internet to make the students and to make the teacher can find more sources on the internet also. This is about the information on the data can be found on the internet. And the next is about the impact of the computer. The first one is about the advantage of the computer. The first advantage is about we can use computer to access to the internet. Computer is very important because what? We can use computer and with the network to access to the internet to find more information about our source. And for the teacher can find more information to make the students believe about the presentation of the teacher itself. And for the students can also find out the information on the internet to make them believe that the teacher or the teaching of the teacher itself can be believed. And the second is about audiovisual aids in teaching. Computer can be a good teacher because what? A computer can become audiovisual in teaching. And the teacher do not also bring textbooks or any books to teach the students. The teacher just bring the fresh drive and plug in into the computer and the teaching is begin. And in the teaching, the student can be fun because why? There is sound, there is movement, and there is also color in teaching them. So the teaching can be fun in their class. So in teaching by using computer, the students cannot get bored because there are also their interest in teaching because there is another activity in their teaching. Next is better presentation of information, because when the teacher presentation about one information, the students do not believe about the teacher itself, but the students have to find out the more information about the computer to make them believe. And next is computer has given distance education. It's about distance teaching. When our teacher or our lecturer is teach about their business, they can use computer to teach us distance teaching. We can use computer by using internet or another application to teach this everything in different areas. And next is about disadvantage of computer. The first one is about vision problem. This is because we are too long to face the computer itself, because when we are working the computer we get interest and we are too interested to do it in the front of the computer, so we get problem in the vision. Visual problem. And next is physical health issue. And when we are to learn to use computer for our work, and when are to learn to see the computer in front of in the what is the display on the computer itself, we get a problem has issue in our physical body, because we will like to we will need to go to sleep, and next is exposure to radiation, because right in the front of the computer has what a device in the computer which makes a radiation itself. So let's move to the conclusion, and for the conclusion is computer is very important for us, and computer also can help us to do anything on them. Okay, thank you very much, and if you are still confused about the presentation, please feel free to ask.
First of all, I would like to say good job, good presentation. But there is something that makes me confused. That is, how about the students who are not able to use a computer in the classroom? I mean, the student which didn't know
About the computer.
yeah, about the computer itself.
Okay.
So how is the solution or the prevention for this problem?
Okay. Okay, that is a good question, and I will try to answer your question. Actually, this is a big problem when one of the students do not know about the using of computer itself. This is also can be a problem for the teacher, because the teacher want to give them at the right time. They do not use the computer. This is a big problem. So at least the students know about the basic knowledge of using computer itself. At least they can go to the internet, can open Google, so they can use it for find the information on the computer itself. So when they know about the basic of using computer, they can find the more information of them. And they can find information on the internet. I think that's all the answer. Okay, for next question or suggestion.
Thank you very much. Your presentation was very good.
Okay.
Maybe I just give a suggestion. I just want to add some information of using computer. We also can use computer to make class online, so the teacher can control. So in the online class, the teacher can give like assignment or etc. So the teacher also can give some control. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your additional point. That is very important for the class. And if there is no question anymore, and I will say thank you very much, and I close by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.